Here's how to convert JPEG to a multi-page PDF. So if you have multiple JPEG files or any image type really, you can click and drag them in the order you want that multi-page PDF into ConvertSave. ConvertSave is an app I created with my brother. He's a software developer, and all you have to do is drag and drop your files in, go to your select output, scroll down. PDF is going to be individual PDFs for every image. Multi-page PDF is going to give you one PDF with the multiple images in it as different pages. They're going to be in the order that these files are right here. So you could drag and drop them individually if you want like a different order, or you can just click and select them all to drag them in. And then from there, you just hit convert and it will save your PDF right next to where the original files came from. And we can see here, if I preview this, I've got this PDF now that's got these multiple images in it in the order that they were put into ConvertSave. So what is ConvertSave? It is a file converter for images, video, and audio that works offline. So no more weird, sketchy websites that you have to upload your files to. And it works for Windows and Mac. So we made it really simple and easy to use. That's how I want it to always be. That's where the name came from, ConvertSave. I just want it to be that simple. There's a lot more advanced features coming. They might even already be out, but for forever and for always, I want it to be simple to quickly convert files, because quite frankly, I want to be able to quickly do it as much as I want you to be able to quickly do it. And so you can find ConvertSave at convertsave.com. I'll leave a link in the description or the pinned comment down below as well, so you can check it out. Let me know if you do. If you have any issues, just reach out to us at team@convertsave.com, and we'll be able to help you with any file type conversions or trying to get it installed or anything like that. Yeah, if you have any questions too, leave them in the comments down below. We want to keep improving this so that it works for everything that everyone needs. And we're going to keep adding even more file types to it. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next one.